Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut export error. If you're using CapCut and you're having any type of CapCut export error that you cannot export the video, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection, because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is weak, so you cannot download or export anything from your CapCut. And once you have done, you have to also check that your VPN is not connected. Go for settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected. Once you have done, you have to simply go back and retry to export any video from your CapCut. If you are still having the same issue, try to reduce the video quality or retry. But after that, if you are still having the same issue, open App Store, go for search. You have to simply search for CapCut, and you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of your CapCut. Or if you have any pending update here, try to update your CapCut app, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 5 to 10 GB free on your iPhone storage. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, you have to go for iPhone storage section, then go for CapCut. Try to offload this app, tap on offload app, and then tap on offload app again, and then reinstall the app. So if there are any bug into your CapCut app, it will fix in this step, and after that you will be able to download and export anything from your CapCut. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.